So we finally got on to the highway, the national highway. Well, it was the national highway, but this is a bigger, well, 2-lane traffic, well, 4 lanes actually, which means we can go a bit faster now. Oh, but never mind, there's oncoming traffic. So we are right now heading towards Krishnanagar, but I don't think we're going to get into Krishnanagar. We're going to bypass it and keep going towards Shiliguri. We'll take a short break after some time to have breakfast, brunch most likely.
Maybe more like brunch, yeah.
Yeah, more like brunch. And then carry on. We'll meet our friends on the way, catch up with them soon. And we'll keep going and we'll keep posting as and when we oh, this is lovely. Officers Institute, whatever that is. Probably an army, yes it is, army barracks. This place is called, I think we've just crossed a place called Jagulia. Nice, like it, enjoying the road. And stay with us.